Well, kids, yeah, I'm still in Miami Beach, in Miami, South Beach. I come over to this wall. To eat a cheese Danish. Yeah, and as soon as I sat down, my buddies came. That one right there, his name is Walter Pigeon. And these are his friends. That one there is Dave. And that's Bob Pigeon. Bob, do you want to say a few words to people back in Iowa? Well, he's kind of shy. Wait a minute, I think that's Bob. Holy cow. Maybe I got... Hey, is your name Dave? Thought it was. Well, they're my buddies now, and I guess they'll be with me for the rest of the trip. You guys fly over to the hotel, and I'll meet you on the balcony. Holy cow, you guys aren't Spanish pigeons, are you? Sorry, I don't speak Espanol. Poquita. I got unos, dos, tres pigeons there. Well, there you have it, kids. More adventure. You guys coming over here? You want to say hello to the camera? Come on, get over here. Wait a minute. Here. You see yourselves? Come here. Get back here. Look at the pigeon. You want to see yourself? No, I guess not. Well, this is what happens when my wife and daughter go shopping. I get stuck out here in the ledge with the pigeons. But it is kind of a carnival-like atmosphere here. People coming and going, buying and selling. It's wonderful. Oh, here's my buddy coming to see me again. Hey, look at yourself. Oh, come on. Well, he's not going for it. My wife and daughter went in that shop there. I think they're in there. If they're not, I hope they call me. I'm almost tempted to go get some more pastries to feed these pigeons. This one here, I don't know. He keeps coming over. See yourself? Alright. Well, that's about it for now. Red Panther, out.